What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here on Turtle Lake. It's April 8th, so it's still pretty early in the season. Still looking for that first fish. Went out a couple weeks ago, but no luck. You never know, it's a tricky kind of year, but decided to come here and fish this time because it gets pretty weedy during the summertime. So wanted to get out here early. I had pretty good luck last year pretty early on this lake, so figured I'd give it a shot again this year. And what I'm gonna be starting out with here is the Googan Clutch Lipless Crankbait. Good time of year to throw this bait, and I'll be throwing it on my Googan Supreme bait caster, which they do not make anymore, and I will be throwing it on my Gander Mountain cranking rod, which is a 7-1 rod, and they also do not make these anymore because this company doesn't exist anymore. So yeah, let's see if we can get into some fish. It's about 60 degrees out, wind's about 10 miles an hour, so see what we can do, but stay tuned. There's one. Oh, come on. Still there's one. Oh, my drag sucks. Oh, he's in the fucking anchor. Dang, he's in the anchor. It's a good fish, too. It's a good fish. Barely fucking get in here. There we go. All right. Barely hooked. Whew. All right, first fish of the year, baby. Finally got him. Whew. Barely hooked too. Barely hooked. I gotta need pliers for this guy. Right. Finally. Nice fish too. Nice fish. Get a weight on him or her, whatever you are. Finally, first fish of the year, guys. 2023. Not a monster, but I'll take it any day. We'll get a weight on him too, just to see what we got to start the year off with. No, that can't be right. You gotta be more than that. Just not even a pound and a half. I don't think that's right. You a little bigger than that, dude. All right, well, finally caught him right over there. See if there's any more. Cold. There it goes. Whew, finally. Well, I've been out here for over an hour. Basically worked this whole shoreline here. Went deep, went shallow, went all over the place. Thought I had one bump my lure about a half hour ago, but this guy flying across the water. But finally got on the boat. Got a little anchor rope got in the way a little bit, but we got it in. So let's see if we can get some more over here. Never know. shoot. Yeah, that's one. Got him. Oh, yeah. Now my drag's a little too tight, I think. Oh, he's barely hooked, too. All right. Hey. Why is it all on the bottom of the lip, dude? Every single one. Bottom of the lip again. It makes it pain in the... Retie after this guy. There we go. All right. Fish number 2. A little bit smaller. Man, there's weeds right over there between those 2 docks. I keep on thinking that I'm getting weeds and go to break free from the weeds, and this guy hit it. So I don't know if they're weeds or they're just nipping at them today, but same area as I caught the last one. So hopefully there's a few more over here. I think I found the area though. So cool. Let's see if we can get another one over there. My drag was super loose that last fish, so I tightened it up, and now it's too tight. So I'm gonna have to readjust that, maybe retie too, and get back at it. Cool. Uh-oh. That might be a pike. That might be a pike. Oh, no, it's a bass. That's a bass. All right, I'll take you. Get in here. Oh. All right, nice. I was thinking that was a pike for a second. What's up, buddy? It's been a while. It's been a while since my last fish. Where are all your friends at? Where are all your friends? All right. Not a giant, but not bad. Come on. I'll take him. Fish number 3 on the Googan. Not bad. You guys are cold. Cold. Well, maybe they are on the south side of the lake too. So random. I don't no idea where they're hiding. I caught that one. It's pretty deep water out there. But yeah, cool. Thought it was a pike for a minute, but the way it was fighting, but glad it was a bass. Let's see if we can get another one. Sun's gone down or gone away. It's covered up, a little bit more overcast now, but let's see what we can do. All right, so I'm gonna call it for today. It's about 4 o'clock. Been out here a good 3 hours. Caught 3 fish, so about 1 fish per hour. Not too bad for this time of year. They were pretty random. They're not schooled up right now, so they were in like 4 to 5 feet of water, and no real good pattern. But we got some good warm weather coming this coming week, so the water should be warming up pretty good here in the next few weeks, and that lipless crankbait bite should be getting pretty hot. So pre-spawn right now, and it's a good time of year to get out here and catch some big cold fish. So hopefully we have some luck in the coming weeks, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for the next one. See you guys later.